Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to master movement techniques in COD Warzone Mobile. Mastering movement techniques in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile can significantly enhance your gameplay. So here's what you're going to do. Familiarize yourself with controls. Before diving into advanced movement techniques, ensure you're comfortable with the game's controls. Experiment with different control layouts to find what works best for you. Strafing or moving sideways while aiming is crucial for dodging enemy fire and maintaining accuracy. So practice strafing in various directions to become unpredictable to your opponents. Master jumping and sliding. Utilize jumping and sliding to navigate the map quickly and evade enemy shots. Experiment with jump heights and timing to traverse obstacles efficiently. Perfect drop shotting. Drop shotting involves quickly dropping to a prone position during a gunfight to throw off your opponent's aim. Mastering their techniques requires swift reflexes and precise timing. Learn to bunny hop. Bunny hopping involves jumping repeatedly while moving forward, allowing you to maintain momentum and make yourself a challenging target. Practice timing your jumps to keep your movement fluid. Utilize slide cancelling. Slide cancelling involves cancelling the animation of a slide with a jump to maintain momentum while transitioning between movements. This technique is effective for maintaining speed during engagement. Experiment with crouch walking. Crouch walking reduces your character's profile, making it harder for enemies to spot you. Practice crouch walking to silently approach opponents or navigate thick spaces. Use tactical sprint wisely. Tactical sprint allows you to move faster at the cost of reduces readiness to aim. Use it strategically to cover open grounds or escape danger, but be prepared to transition back to a combat-ready stance. Practice drop landing. When parachuting into the map at the beginning of a match, aim to land quickly to secure weapons and supply before your opponents. Experiment with different landing techniques to optimize your descent speed. And that's how to master movement techniques in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.